that's the one. He has redeemed himself. Dropped the catch and he comes back strongly. Oh, another one bites the dust. What about that? This is extraordinary from Hassan Ali. And bowling. That's the one.
Bowling! He can do nothing wrong. What a delivery.
Hassan Ali already got 4 here. That's 5. That's 5. Well, what a start. The swinging Yorker. Castling him. And he does it for the first time in the BPL. AK's BPL 2017.
What a moment for him. Only becomes the second player in T20 history to pick up 5 wickets in an innings and all bowled after Rubul Hussain. Brilliant. Absolutely fantastic.